Okay, it's July 18th. We're here at the Lakefront TV studio. On the set of Salute, there's our very own Air Force veteran, Bob Peters. And our veteran guest, Jeff, where are you going to be playing soon? Tell people where you're going to be.
Oh, I'll be at
Mellow Mushroom, right?
City Fire, Brownwood, and I'm about to close a deal with Mellow Mushroom in Mount Dora and start playing midweek through there. And downtown Mount Dora, one flight up, a little coffee shop with a balcony right downtown.
Do you have a website?
I have a Facebook website, but I don't have a professional music website. I wish I was that.
How can folks find you on Facebook?
Just look at Jeff Letourneau at facebook.com.
All right.
There's 4. Make sure you look for the guy with the cowboy hat.
Sounds good. All right, listen, we're doing a quick sound check, so have at it, guys. Then we'll record the show.
All right, this is one we like.
That's right.
We'll do a little lead in first and we'll get in. Right?
Yeah, this song is, a lot of people don't know the words, but if you listen to the words of this song, it talks about Depression, World War II, and it's really quite a moving song.
It's a Jamie Johnson song. It's called In Color.
And just run through it. This is a sound check. This is going to be for the whole show. This is a little sneak peek for the folks.
I said, Grandpa, what's this picture here? It's all black and white. It ain't real clear. Is that you there? He said, yeah, I was 11. Times were tough back in 35. That's me and Uncle Joe just trying to survive. The cotton farm in the Great Depression. And if it looked like we were scared to death, like a couple of kids just trying to save each other, you should have seen it in color. All this one here was taken overseas in the middle of hell, 1943. In the wintertime, could almost see my breath. That's my tail gunner, old Johnny McGee. He was a high school teacher from New Orleans. He had my back through the day we left. And if it looked like we were scared to death, like a couple of kids just trying to save each other, you should have seen it in color. A picture's worth 1,000 words, but you can't see what those shades of gray keep covered. You should have seen it in color.
There you have it. Every veteran has a story. Check out Salute on Lakefront TV, Comcast 22, Bright House 199, Florida Cable 4, or watch us live streaming on lakefronttv.com.